Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you on an 06 Honda Element how to remove the rear wiper blade. So what we're going to do is just lift the arm up, and you just take the blade, simply bring it around, and you'll feel a little pop, and it comes right out. You can see the design on that arm, how it has a hook. This is a fiber plastic arm, not metal. The same with the blade. So to install it, I'm going to bring it right back down in there, hook it, and latch it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.